In this video, we will see code implementation. Now let's do the code implementation of our reverse bits. So first of all, let me create one function, reverse bits. Now this function that has an value of n, basically our 32-bit integer. Okay, and then I will start. So as my steps, let me first, before these steps, let me first create one reversed equals to 0, that is starting from 0. And I will run the things for 32 times. So I less than 32, I plus plus, and now here my steps will start. So the first step is basically what I will do, I will simply add a space, right? So reversed left shift 1, I will add a space. Next thing is, right, I will find out one bit. How I will find out? I will take end with 1, right? And then what I will do, I will simply add that into my reversed, or this step, like in the video I have explained, this step you can put it here, that is also fine. So reversed equals to reversed or 1 bit. Okay, then it basically add the bit, and after this I will do a right shift. Right, this is my right shift. Why I'm doing with triple sign? Basically triple sign will give me an will do the right shift. Otherwise it will be an arithmetic right shift if you are doing with double sign, right? So in JavaScript, especially in JavaScript, we do the right shift by triple sign, then it will be a bitwise right shift operator. Otherwise it will be an arithmetic. And after this, just I will check that whatever the things I am returning, it should not basically in an assigned value. So whenever I will return reversed, I will take a right shift with 0 so that it will make it unsigned basically, not a signed integer. And yeah, this will be my code. Simple 3 to 4 lines of a code, right? But yes, it's a quite intuitive. And yeah, in the next video, I will give you a very short dry run of this, right? So how this code is working. Basically, we have already discussed so much, but still we will discuss a bit of dry run and what will the time complexity of it. So see, I am running this constant time, so it is not depending on the size of n, right? So it will be 32 only. So time complexity will be big of 1. Space complexity will also be big of 1. So I will see you in the next video where I will give the dry run of this video. Okay, thank you.